What is it? It's freedom of choice, powered entirely by software. Need voting or interpretation later? Simply add the license. No extra hardware needed. With dual card slots and dual headphone jacks, 2 delegates can work side by side effortlessly. And when someone takes the floor, you see them instantly on the 4.3-inch HD touchscreen. Every touch feels precise, thanks to tactile feedback that ensures confident control. Connection is seamless too. Use the Type-C port for backup or link directly to electronic nameplates, keeping speech and information perfectly in sync. And when it's time to adapt, switch key panels in seconds. Voting, discussion, and more, all thanks to the snap-fit design. This flexibility means you're always ready, no matter what the meeting brings. Accessibility is built in. Braille markings are placed with precision, ensuring visually impaired delegates can participate fully in the meeting. The HCS-4895 continues the iconic look of the HCS-5390 while blending wired and wireless units into a single, harmonious system, bringing every voice together with style, inclusivity, and complete control.